Hey, what is up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. And today I finally got the parts that I've been missing. So I can now go ahead and throw on the transmission. Finally, hopefully get everything fitted tonight, the motor and the tranny. So right now I just got the car on the lift. I'm about to go ahead and take out the motor right now, unloosen the motor mounts, pull the engine out, and go ahead and throw on the transmission. Now these lines right here that I got from the Sikky kit that I'm about to go show you the rest right now is what I've been waiting for. This is why I couldn't put the transmission in, because it would have been too hard to fit something in there while it's in the car, and it's going to be a really tight space, so I had no other choice to wait. But I finally got it in and I already installed it. I just couldn't wait. So right now the lines are connected to the slave cylinder, and I'm about to show you what else comes with the Sikky kit. So here's the master cylinder that I'm going to be running, and here's the Sikky adapter to basically so I can bolt this cylinder right into my firewall. No modifications needed. And the kit came with those lines, came with this hose, and I also got a coolant temp sensor, intake air temp sensor, and over here is my this is my idle control valve and my throttle position sensor. So this basically is what I've been missing for my throttle body. These two sensors go right here and right there. So when I get the motor out, I'm going to go ahead and throw those on. And I'm going to go ahead and throw on the coolant temp sensor and the intake air temp sensor. And over here, I have my fuel pressure regulator. Now I still need, for the fuel wise, I still need to order a Walbro 255 in-tank fuel pump. And I need to order all the fuel lines and fittings that I'm going to be needing. And honestly, other than that, that's pretty much it. I'm just going to need small stuff like air hoses. Other than that, we're looking pretty good though. So right now I'm going to go ahead and take this motor out and go ahead and throw on all that stuff I was telling you and finally get the transmission on. And hopefully tonight we will have a motor and a transmission sitting inside here. Hopefully everything goes good. Alright you guys, so I just got the motor out the car. And I just got it off the crane. And now I can finally go ahead and throw on those sensors. Start throwing on the master cylinder. And bolt on the transmission. Throw that thing back in there. Alright guys, so I just got those sensors in. And I just ran into a problem. So the coolant temp sensor I got is not the right one. This one's much bigger. And the old coolant sensor is way skinnier. So that's not gonna work. So I'm still gonna have to get that. That's no biggie though. I can definitely change that when it's in the car. Let me show you guys. See how it's much bigger, wider. But yeah, So right now I'm basically just gonna bolt in the transmission, which is over there. You see the green lines. Alright, so I'm gonna set the camera down and start working on that. I'll see you guys after. Hopefully I don't run into any more issues. Alright guys, so finally after trying to fight this transmission for 20 minutes, trying to get it in, finally lined up and finally got it in. Got my boy Justin over here helping me. And right now we're about to go ahead and throw this shit in the car. Y'all boys wish me luck. Hoping everything goes good. Alright guys, so literally after hours of fighting this thing, so many things that kept getting in the way, finally got the motor in. And right now we're trying to line up the transmission bracket. Right now we're having troubles with that. Hopefully we get this lined up. But right now I have both motor mounts tightened down. The motor is in there. So basically the issue that we're having, like I said last time, the transmission keeps on hitting on the firewall. So we took it out, banged it, kept hitting, we had to pry a lot. This thing was not easy. I'm honestly so surprised how we got it in. I don't even know how we got it in, but it's in there, so can't complain. Freaking tired. It's getting late on us. Basically, we're gonna try and bolt this on, and then we're just gonna lower the car, throw it outside. That's pretty much it. Gonna be it for today though. Got a lot done though. Chin bolted on, and we threw the motor in. We're making progress. Definitely a huge step in the right direction though. And I'm still waiting for my drive shaft to come in, like I was saying. Those are custom built to order and it takes a while. So I'm still waiting for LOJ to send those in. Yeah, you guys. That was a fight for sure. Did not want to go in. I'm so surprised we have this motor in right now. Alright, so right now we're gonna go ahead and get that bracket for the tranny bolted down, lower this car, and throw it outside and start cleaning up. It's getting really late. Alright guys, so I just got everything all cleaned up, got the car outside. That's pretty much it for today's video, guys. I still have a lot of work to do. Gonna try and come in maybe tomorrow and start finishing the rest. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave a like and make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.